Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshathra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you varieties of Jaipur, Singapore and Italian necklace collections. Varieties of collections beautifully designed. Jaipur collections comes under box chain. It comes very beautifully hanging stone work. Let's go to the video. Now I am going to show you a very beautiful Italian collection chain, beautifully designed, small ball attached, rhodium finishing ball attached. Very beautifully designed lightweight collection. You can see here. I will show you. Very beautifully designed lightweight collection. You can see here. Small balls attached, white rhodium finishing balls are there. Very beautifully designed lightweight collection. It comes under Italian collections necklace. Second chain I am going to show you. Very beautifully designed Italian collection necklace. Very beautifully designed thin chain, rhodium finishing, yellow and white gold. You can see here, very beautifully designed, very thin. You can use it office wear, college students, adults, everyone can wear this one. Very beautifully designed. This is the third chain I am going to show you now. Very beautifully designed Italian collection necklace. Small balls attached. Very beautiful lightweight collection. It comes around 6 grams. Very beautiful necklace. You can see here small balls attached. Beautiful design. It all comes under lightweight collections. Now I am going to show you very beautiful design. Very thin chain, very beautifully designed Italian collection necklace. Very beautifully designed thin one. You can see small designs is there. I will show you now. Here small designs is there. I think you can visible. Next one I am going to show you very beautiful Italian collection necklace. It gives very heavy look. You can see here very beautifully designed. Rhodium finishing balls are there. Small balls you can see there, very beautifully designed. It all comes under lightweight collections. You can get only in Nakshathra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Next one is different variety one. Very beautiful Singapore collection necklace. Very beautifully designed. Lengthy one. It gives very heavy look. You can wear it as a party wear. Beautifully designed Singapore collection chain. Small balls attached here. You can see here. Very beautifully designed Singapore chain. Now I am going to show you very beautiful Jaipur collection necklace. Beautifully designed with box chain. Box chain you already know, it's the strongest chain. Very beautifully designed. You can see here hangings with stones. These all stones hangings here, pink and white stones, beautifully designed. Square shaped stones are given here. This comes under Jaipur collections box chain. Very beautifully designed. If you want to buy any of these items, visit our shop Al Nada, Dubai. All items available there. You can also do online shopping. All over India delivery available. You can get the details from screen given below. You can contact them and do online shopping. Enjoy shopping. We are going to open our new branch in Ajman very soon. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our necklace collections, do visit our shop Al Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. If you want to watch more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. See you again in next video. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.